poet on the MIC.
Yo, it's a must that I get papes. Peace to all the DJs who gave me love on they mixtapes. And once again, the man's back with a dance track. So here's your chance, Jack, to get loose and let your hands clap. I got juice like Goku, mad crews I broke through. Brothers be mad cause I hit more chicks than they spoke to. And every time I'm jammed, I always find a loophole. I got a crime record longer than my new bow. And my raps are unbelievable like aliens and flying saucers. No more iron horses cause I'm buying Porsches. Coming straight out the NYC. Peace to the king, the pre, I'm MVP. If rap was a game, I'll be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
Yo, if rap was a game, I'll be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
If rap was a game, I'll be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
Yo, if rap was a game, I'll be MVP.
The most valuable poet on the MIC.
Right now, Grand Pooh about to blow this mic out. Got you moving like roaches with the lights out. Finger looking like chicken in the dike's out. Don't stop, get it popping like Red and Bop. With more beat than Koreans in the nail shop. Keep it ghetto like bodegas after 12 o'clock. Shorty shaking like a chick up in the booty spot. That's what's up. Can't you smell what the Pooh Bar cooking? Got a girl with a wife on the side and still looking. You know my style is always like Coca-Cola. I flip out like Star Trek Motorola. In 2000 my new Benz is riding solar. And my C got a V8 in the stroller. You know the 411, see it's time to make a paper pile. Ain't no need to act funny style. Ain't no need to stop, move about to drop. Yeah, get that, what, out on that floor. Know we keep it hot, yeah, give it all you got. Move it up and down like a Chevy 6-4. Yeah, you know how it's going down. Grand Boulevard is back in town. Yeah, baby, ain't no time to clown. Yeah, up, yeah, down, yeah, up, yeah, down. Now you may ask yourself who the hell I be. Some consider me a legend MC who never went platinum or more or less gold. I've been making young moves since I was 19 years old. Listen, I've been balling in this game a long time. Been through more counties in the Greyhound line. Grand Pool Bar, brand new affiliate. 12th birthday, I got my first Big Willie kit. Mad love for the game ever since I was a youth. Used to set up my equipment on the project roof. 2 turntables, microphone, and some vinyl. Yeah. Now I bounce through town in the smoked out rental. Let's get it crackin' if you're feeling how it's going down. Don't stop, get it, shake your body to the ground. Grand Pooh getting all up in that scope. Yeah. Shine so hard I make ice look dull. So, ain't no need to stop, Pooh about to drop. Yeah, get that, what, out on that floor. Know we keep it hot, yeah, give it all you got. Move it up and down like a Chevy 6-4. Yeah, you know how it's going down. Grand Pooh Bar is back in town. Yeah, baby, ain't no time to clown. Yeah, up, yeah, down.